What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. So you guys, I'm back in Walmart again, and look what I found. I found all the new 4th of July items. They have a lot of things in here that I wanted to share with you guys, so let's go ahead and get started. They have a lot of items to really dress up and make 4th of July fun in here. I don't know if I'd ever wear one of these. These little light up tubey headbands are so much fun to touch. They just look kind of crazy and cute. They have a lot of things here. They have the necklaces, they have the crazy hair headbands. Like, some of these things are like part 4th of July, part Halloween. They have the patriotic masks. Like, never have I seen some of these items before. They even have the paint. They have some little temporary tattoos up here for $1.47. They have the face jewelry. Like, I feel like the whole 4th of July line is really getting expanded. They even have the Star Spangled knee socks. These are $3.97. We have some bandanas, suspenders. This is a headband for $2.97. JoJo Siwa, she's everywhere. She's here on the 4th of July aisle with her big patriotic bows for $5.47. And then Walmart has their very own one with a blinged out center for $4.97. This is a bandana. We have some glitter hair jewelry, some bows also for $2.97, and hair clips. Some little scarves for $3.97. And then we have some jumbo light up necklaces. These are like the LED necklaces for $2.97. And then if you want something a little more petite, also for the same price, we have this set here. This is a light up USA sign. We have a mini crown for $1.84. And some individual 97-cent star headbands. I mean, you guys, there is a lot, and most of it is to just decorate yourself with and to get festive for 4th of July. We have some aviator sunglasses for $2.97 with the flags. Some patriotic glasses here with the stars for $2.97, as well as some flashing glasses for $3.97. Look at this little pinwheel headband. That's $1.97. We have even more headbands up here. These are $2.97. Christmas meets 4th of July. There's some little glitter hats for $1.97. And some top hat headbands for $4.97. Oh, Minnie made her way onto the 4th of July aisle. Look, you guys, this one is super cute because I love Minnie. Oh, it's all glittery and sparkly and pretty. $4.97. We also have some matching hats down here. These are also $4.97. And I see some batteries in there, so I think we have some lights around the sweatband here. This is a Patriotic Cowboy Hat. This one just feels kind of plastic for $1.97. A Sequin Festival Bag for $5.97 in the red and silver. They also have the blue and the silver. Those are all $5.97. We have the sort of poker visors for, I think these are $6.97. Yeah, $6.97. And these, we have more flashing hats. Oh, there we go. Can you guys see that? And hopefully I can turn it off. There we go. Also in a plaid. These cowboy hats are pretty sturdy for $4.97. There's just so many hats. I don't think I've ever seen so many items for 4th of July here in Walmart. Here are some other items that I've never seen on this aisle. These are the light up sparkle tutus. This is $6.97. And we have a little button over here. We also have these little ones, and it's a girl's size. One size fits most with the pretty tulle with the sparkly stars. Super cute. Those are also $6.97. And then I think we have this one here in red, and it's really sparkly just like the blue one. Again, this is a one size fits most, and it also lights up. We have so many things down here. We have girl sizes and women's sizes, so if you and your daughter want to dress up together and be super cute, you can. We have some pinwheels here for just 97 cents. It's a little hard to make it move with the tag on it, but these move pretty nicely. We even have an air-blown inflatable for $14.98. We have Uncle Sam here. He self-inflates in seconds, and he is an energy-efficient LED inflatable. I definitely have never seen those in anyone's yard before. We also have 30 feet of the LED G30 globe lights for $19.97, as well as 12 feet. A 12-foot LED rope light, and this is super heavy. It feels really sturdy. Those are $12.97. Whew, you guys, I need to take a breather. I mean, there is just so much packed here in this aisle. Wow, you guys, there's a lot. There is really a lot, and the prices are amazing. I'm looking at these, and I actually saw these earlier, and I think they sound really cool. These are color changing straws. They magically change color in ice cold drinks, and you get 12. They look really cute. Aww, they feel kind of thick. It says they're reusable. I'd really like to try those out. We have some $1 star ice cube trays, as well as some 97-cent crazy straws. Some wall decor for $1.97, tabletop decor for $2.47, a 45-inch garland, and what are these? These are, oh, this is confetti for 97 cents. Okay, what else do we have? We have lots and lots of paper plates for $1.47. This round tray is $3.47. And we have all sorts of things. Plates. These napkins are amazing. Wow, that's a lot of foil on one set of napkins. These little ones are cute too. Celebrate the red, white, and blue. Super cute. Just $1.47. You guys, they have so much. So much. Even more napkins over here. Again, for just $1.47. We have a flag banner for $1.47. We have some more centerpieces. And what are these? I think these are, what are these? I think they're like little wands. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, it's a LED foam stick. That's my first time ever seeing those. Can I turn it off? That's the question. Maybe, yeah. Okay, I was wondering for a second if I was going to be able to turn those off or not. Let's come down here a little further and see what else we have. I mostly showed all the human decor, you know, and napkins and things that we need in daily life. But what I haven't shown yet is the wall decor, the home decor, you know, the porch decor. We have a lot of patriotic decor ranging from 97 cents to $5.97. Let's come around this pole here. We have some little yard stakes, family Friends and Freedom. Those are $2.97. There's so much to look at, you guys. Like I said, they really just packed it full. Look at this yardstick, you guys. This is so adorable. To everyone that loves the little red truck, this little blue truck is super cute as well. We have bunting for $7.97. We have bows that are really well done for $3.97. And there's even some 97-cent bows here. You guys, no way. No way! Look at this flamingo. This is the first time I've ever seen a patriotic flamingo, and I have to say, it is super cute. Oh my gosh, you guys. He's just $7.47. This kind of makes me smile because I just love the stripes. I think that is so adorable. And then we have these, what are these? They're calling this jumbo spray, and it's on this little metal piece. Let's see if I can show it to you guys. So it's on this little metal stake, and it's like this really pretty, sparkly, here's one that's open, these little strands here. And again, those are $2.97, but I think they have some bigger ones that are also $4.97. So you guys, come to Walmart, see what they have if you want to decorate yourself for fireworks and for your celebration and your get-togethers. This is the place to come if you want to decorate your house. They have a lot to offer. They even have this pack of temporary tattoos. You get 50 self-adhesive tattoos for $2.97. And then, of course, they have a nice variety of necklaces and just cute things. Like, everything is just really fun and cute. I think my favorite has to be the flamingo. I love that little guy. And I also love the Home Sweet Home. But hey, you guys, that's it for me here in Walmart on this 4th of July Shop With Me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely come to your Walmart. They have just so much to choose from. But all right, you guys, if you enjoyed this shop with me, please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, hit that little button and subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.